No, don't contribute to the mess. Wave, you're on video. You're on video. It's going on YouTube.
Yeah, I got it.
Milo, don't eat that. It's nasty. So. You're on video, so don't spit, okay? I'm gonna throw that one out. All right, do the Olympic ta-da jump. Oh, I can see way back in the back of that, and then it looks like a tunnel. It goes off to the right.
Oh, I just finished the point of the boots.
Huh?
I just got water in my shoes.
Well, yeah, you said that was going to happen.
Yeah, I know.
Let's come down here sometime in shorts and just kind of crawl through there. I can't believe Milo's not in the water. Go get him, Milo.
There you go. I don't think he wants to come because it's all mucky right there.
Yeah, I know it. Don't hit me. You're gonna. You've lived such a sheltered life. Ooh, waist deep. I'm trying to get your shirt wet. I have to hold that up. No, Milo, quit.
You're supposed to throw little
No.
pieces of it. You just throw the whole.
Well, it's fun. Ta-da.
Wow, that is deep.
Do your Olympic. It would be fun to swim in this in the better weather.
That's a pretty big sized fish right there. Where?
Well, I see that there's a bobbin up there. People have fished in there. Bobbin stuck in the tree.
I just didn't catch it.
Up right there.
Look.
Oh, baby.
So how deep is it on that side?
Down there?
Uh-huh.
About 6 feet.
Oh. Cool.
Oh.
They're just going to fill up again. Except it's...
I know, but it's hard to walk.
Well, where are you going to walk? At least you had warm water in there.
Up and up.
Just get a good grip on the rock and make sure your footing is sure before you take another step.
Yeah, I don't think I want to get up there because it'll be too hard to get down. Glare. Ow.
Milo, quit. You can't have that. Oh my God. Hold your shirt up. Swim, swim.
Yeah, that's cold.
72 degrees year round.
I am.
Don't lose my boots.